make the rules. In these situations, guys are definitely more aggressive. They're more handsy. It has to be something really out there for me to slap somebody. But, yeah, I've done it.
We just dance right here.
Meal time was long over.
You're a naughty boy.
I am a naughty boy.
Very naughty.
But Jason was still hungry for more.
I'll be back. It might be a while. Baby.
Jason! Get out of here! What are you doing? Your friends are outside.
Having sex in a bathroom with a drunk bachelor was not part of this party girl's job description. She did her best to hold off the horn dog until Pete stepped in and flushed this loser down the drain. Forever. A combination of water and air pressure had built up due to some repair work being done on the hotel's plumbing. When Jason accidentally flushed the toilet, 100 pounds per square inch of built-up pressure blew the lid off and sent it flying, and resulted in a giant shard going straight up his ass. 2 minutes and 6 pints of lost blood later, he was dead.
When he fell onto the piece and it entered his rectum, it would have caused massive lacerations. As he was struggling, he could have worked that piece into his sigmoid colon, ripping through the tissues, causing him to die of massive bleeding.
Jason was a pig disguised as a human being.
You look delicious.
He did his fiancée a huge favor. He turned I do into I did.